after posting to Instagram these mini anchor chart stands. I had a lot of questions about them, so I decided to have the handy dandy husband pop in here with me and do a quick video tutorial of exactly how you can assemble these. We are actually making 3 different sizes, and we're using the smaller one for more of the vocab cards. We're doing a vertical smaller stand for 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and then we're also in the works of making a horizontal or landscape stand for those that have sheets of paper that go landscape. So they can be used for a lot of things. Vocabulary cards, like I mentioned, is my favorite way to use them. I've seen teachers use these for center or station directions. Even the tabletop anchor charts or your teacher table, being able to have your visuals placed there in a place for a focus point for the kids to look. Open house visuals or displays for parents. Another thing is learning targets. That's a neat way to be able to use these stands. And I also had a teacher say scavenger hunt clues, being able to plop these around their room and display the scavenger hunt clues on there. So let's get started. Brandon, can you tell them they're going to go to Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's, wherever? What do they need to buy? What are they looking for?
For instance, yeah, if you're going to make an 8.5 by 11, 1 stick of 5-foot PVC pipe will get you enough to make this.
And that's a 1/2-inch pipe.
1/2-inch pipe. It's a good size. It's sturdy enough. I probably wouldn't go any thinner than that. So 1 5-foot length 1/2-inch PVC. Your fittings, you'll need some elbows, 90-degree elbows. You'll need 4 for the base and 2 up top. So 6 total 90-degree elbows, and then 2 T's there.